Alright, hello everyone. I got an updated video on the MDX headlights because everybody was asking me, or a couple people asked me, about the actual setup, and actually we want to see what a finished project look like. So basically what I did was I painted the housing. As you guys can see, the housing on this one, it is still chrome, and the inside is chrome, and around here in the top it's all chrome, and here and the orange reflector, all of that. So this has been removed. It's also been painted. Then all of here, all this chrome here is blacked out, but this bezel can come out, so I took that bezel out. I'm going to be showing a complete breakdown of taking this one apart. This one I didn't do it. It didn't show a complete breakdown, but this one I will. There'll be a video coming soon for that, showing the full breakdown of this headlights, showing how to dismantle it, how to take it apart. Okay. So basically, right here in the middle here where the Jewel Eye sit, I'm going to be taking out that chrome piece and painting it. But this is what it looks like so far. It looks really, really good with it blacked out and everything like that. So it looks really good. I got to go over this and touch it up a little. But this is just like temporary what it looks like. So basically what I did was the LED strip that I had in there before, it wasn't really what I wanted, and it didn't have enough features for me. So what I did was I upgraded it to a different strip that had more features and that does more. So I'm going to show you guys the features of the new one since I just redid it. And this one is like really, really good. It's like really amazing. And I'm going to show you guys that I'm using it from my phone here. So the app is already open. All I have to do is press the power button here, and it'll automatically turn on. So basically, which this one is, you have over 200 modes on this one, to where I can go through dimming, changing the colors to red, green, blue, and it's really bright. You can adjust the brightness to where you can lower the brightness or make the brightness higher. So this one's like really, really bright. You can also blue, white, yellow, and pink, right? So these are other colors that it has. And then it also has a music mode where you can actually go to the actual music on your phone, and it'll actually go to the beat of the music. I don't really have a video showing, music on this phone right now, so I'm not going to be able to show you guys that feature. But just believe if you do have music on your phone that it'll go to the beat of the music. I'm going to see what I have on here, but I highly doubt it. So basically what this is this one does a whole bunch of different things like this mode. So right now I have it on auto. So auto is basically going through all the 200 modes of different lightings and all of that. So now we have backwards 7 colors, forward 7 colors. This is where it really gets awesome, because this just sets the headlights apart like even more, where it does more. Backwards 6 color purple, trailing blue, red, yellow, green. All of these, streaming green. This setup is not that hard to make. It's pretty simple. See? Fluttering colors. I'm going to show you guys some. Look at that. Forward red, race white, yellow. Look. And it stacks the colors. So zoom down. Look at that. Like, I've never really seen anything like this. Like, this is really amazing. Like, I love the way the whole setup is, the way it works. This is definitely one of a kind. You know, this is not to drive, it's to just show. It's for show and stuff like that. But it really amplifies the way the headlights look. And using the Jewel Eyes, you can do so much. So many different modes. And it's like, I think it's about 200. Look at that. So it's going backwards instead of forward. So now it's going forward now. Like, it just goes on and on and on. Like, the possibilities are endless. Backwards purple and white, green and blue. I was dying to show you guys this because I knew this was definitely going to change the game when it came to a lot of stuff. And then it has like a red with a white strobe. And then the blue with a red strobe. This is really nice. It'll definitely make it stand out a lot. And it has this strobing feature in purple, different colors. Then this is the one going through all the colors, strobing. So it does have a lot of nice features. Then they have custom settings here, where I guess you can do multiple different colors. And do different things. Like, you can stack colors. A whole bunch of different things. Horse, see? It's like you can make custom stuff for yourself. And then like the music. This is the only music that I got. It's not really no bumping music, but pretty sure you guys get the idea. Like, if you guys have music, you guys can play from your phone and it'll go to the beat of the music from your cell phone and different things like that. This I decided to leave the turn signal because it's already an LED and the turn signals need to be orange when turning. So I decided to leave that. If I change my decision later on down the line, then I'll definitely make another video showing you guys that I've decided to change my mind. So basically, this is out with the old and in with the new. Once I respray the inside here, where the jewel eyes sit, I'll make an updated video showing you guys what it looks like and showing you guys that it works. This is going to be a simple hookup process to where you just hook it up to any power and positive and negative in the car. Like, you don't want to hook up to the car battery, so what I'm going to do is run another harness in order to turn it on and off from inside the vehicle, where you can turn on the lights on and off by pressing a button inside. And then that should be a pretty simple process for me because electrical wiring is real easy for me. And basically, this one came with everything. So it came with the ballast and then the igniter and everything. So with these connectors, just connect these two connectors back, one to the turn signal and one to the jewel eyes. And that's it. And that's it. It's good to go. So with the other headlights that we have on MDX right now, I'm going to be taking that off and then using this one for the time being. And then when we have to, when it's necessary, we'll just put, the stock ones back. But for now, this is what this one looks like. This is gonna look a lot better after I'm done. After I spray the inside too, it's gonna black it out. It's gonna look really, really extra nice. And then this is the regular. So you guys let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and share and comment. And don't forget to check out my other videos. I'm gonna put a link down to my other headlight builds that I've done or whatever. Check my headlight playlist tutorial. Shows you guys how to make headlights yourself and to do different things, where I'll be showing another setup, showing how to do this process, also showing how easy it is and how simple it is to get done. If you guys have any questions, like I said, just contact me. All right, peace.